Hey YouTube, here's another video from Dumb Luck and the Hastily Made Forge. Check out the new hastily made Blacksmith forged weed popper. This hastily made weed popper started out as a vehicle's coil spring, which was meticulously straightened over a charcoal fire and hammered out into a beautiful knife-like spoon, perfect for digging out your most obnoxious weeds, and then with the sharpened edge cutting along your garden until your lawn and yard are the epitome of perfection. Here she is in action. Dandelion, how dare you? Ugh, one hand operation easily pops said dandelion victim right down to the root. There it is. Ain't no more dandelions in this yard.